Solve for all theta values in between and including 0 and 2 pi. So we got 4 cos squared. Theta equals 2 cos theta. So why don't we do this? Why don't we subtract 2 cos theta from both sides? You don't want to divide coses because that eliminates possible answers. So we'll have 2 cos theta minus, 4 cos squared theta minus 2 cos theta equals 0. We could do some factoring. Let's factor out a 2 cos theta. So 2 cos theta ripped from u is going to be 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta ripped from u is 1 equals 0. The zero product property states that you take each factor and set it equal to 0. So 2 cos theta equals 0 and 2 cos theta minus 1 equals 0. In order to solve for theta for this left one, we divide everything by 2. 0 divided by 2 is nothing, so we have cos theta equals 0. Let's inverse cosine both sides. Let's inverse cosine both sides. And this is basically now asking us what angle measurement gives us an x value of 0. Well, that happens twice on the unit circle, okay, where we have an x value of 0. Happens up here, x value is 0. Happens down there, x value is 0. You are pi over 2 up here, and you are 3 pi over 2 down there. So two of my possible answers are going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Oh, I ain't done yet. Because over here, we're going to add 1, and solve for this one individually. So that's 2 cos theta equals 1. Divide everything by 2, divide everything by 2. And you get cos theta equals 1/2. Let's inverse cos both sides, inverse cosine both sides, like that. Cross you out. Theta now equals the inverse cosine of 1/2. What is that asking us? Well, that's asking us what angle gives us an x value of 1/2. Well, that happens twice, okay? It happens right here at pi over 3, and it's going to happen directly underneath it at 5 pi over 3. So you're going to be pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. Now, I guess the last thing we ought to do is put that in order from least to greatest. So what is the smallest of these? Pi over 3, and then pi over 2, and then 3 pi over 2, and then 5 pi over 3. Even though they didn't put it in order here. Jerks! And by jerks, I mean me. I made these problems. I'm a jerk. Did I do it right? Yeah, I put it in correct order, but this wasn't put in correct order. I'm embarrassed. If that was the worst of my mistakes, though, I deserve an award. Thanks for watching.